Go on your left. Yep.
My left? Okay. Got to get a new outboard shear pin. This will be the second one that we've broken. Didn't hit anything real hard, just a little bit of mud. Anyway, I can use another. That was a stainless steel bolt that I used, but obviously not that strong. Yeah, this is voluntary, of course. So, a lot of rain last night. Makes it a nice rowing morning, I guess. It's still drizzly, cool. Anyway, so we're going to go to Carriacou. We've decided we're going to head north from Grenada. We've been here 2 months and our livers can't take it anymore. Well, mine. But, and it's still hurricane season. It's like just the peak of hurricane season, but if need be, we can always come running back here. And then within a few weeks we will leave Grenada and go to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So looking forward to that. And it's only 40 miles from Carriacou, so as I say, if a hurricane comes, we can just come down in a half-a-day sail. We're back here if we need to.
I'm Princess and I'm a lounge singer.
I'm Jamie and I fly aeroplanes. We decided to take a year off and go sailing, but thanks to COVID, now we spend our life on Jupiter.
Welcome aboard and join us on our circumnavigation.
So we're on our way to Carriacou, motoring. There's no wind. We could have waited till tomorrow, but we're just tired of being in the same spot for weeks. Well, basically Grenada 2 months now. So. And it's drizzly, but it's cool. Motoring slowly because we're making water. I've got dirty pre-filters, so we can only motor slowly, but we'll be full in about an hour. Charging up the batteries because it's been cloudy for a few days. Maybe we'll stop somewhere on the way. Maybe the sun will come out.
Hopefully.
Maybe we'll do some diving. Anyway, it's not all champagne sailing, but at least we're getting out there. Tired of being a couch potato in Grenada.
And we're running out of visa, so we need to...
Yeah, got a month left on the visa. So we've got to explore a bit first. And what are you doing to feed us?
This is my veggie garden.
What do you got growing there?
I have permanent basils, 3 kind of basils, spring onions, oregano, parsley, bell pepper.
Oh, you're just reading off the sign.
Well, I'll put
I
it...
thought you knew what you're talking about.
I know, I'm the one who put it there.
Oh, yeah.
That's my babies.
Maybe we'll catch a fish. We need to start. We've been spending so much money on food. And yeah, we need to try and get a little self-sufficient. Try and live off the sea a little bit. Even though I love the animals and I I hate to rob them of their lives, but you know, it's a cycle, isn't it? It's a natural cycle. Anyway, fingers crossed. We're going diving. Night dive, first one. How do you feel about that? Don't want to go, do you? You want to stay here? Well, it's not even dark yet, but it will be soon. Maybe see some octopus or some critters that we don't normally see. It'll be good. We got our torches. Yeah, good torches. We didn't see a lot on Princess's first night dive, but we did see this guy. You see those two eyes staring at you there? It was her first octopus. By the time I moved around the other side of the rock to get a better view, he was almost invisible.
We're going to Ron Island. Ron.
I think it's Ron Island. It's halfway between Carriacou and Grenada, and apparently it's lovely snorkeling and diving.
Hey. Hi guys, we're here at the Diamond Rock Island. Not sure what they call it. I remember it's Diamond. It's pretty nice in here, a lot of birds, and right now I'm on a dinghy and I'm waiting for Jamie to finish his snorkeling. And yeah, he's over there right now. And I think there's a lot of current over there, and if ever he needs me to pick him up, I'm gonna run the outboard and get him. I don't have mood to swim today, so I'm a dinghy girl. And that's all. I'm gonna enjoy the view now. So I just pick up our captain. This is how we...
Aren't you gonna help?
Oh my god. Oh no.
Ah.
You crazy?
Yeah.
What did you do? Look at your back.
What? What are you talking about?
Your back.
What about it?
Did you fall down?
Yeah.
Aww.
Okay.
I'm not sure if he's acting, but I think it's real.
Laurel and Hardy.
Oh no.
We're here at Rond Island. We're about to leave, go back to Grenada, but just wanted to show you. Oh, it's a lovely island and lovely clear water, and snorkeling is lovely. The fish over there was beautiful. Lots of different species, but what's intriguing here is you can see there's two little islets over here, just about the same distance off Rond again is an underwater volcano called Jenny. It's a cool name, I reckon. And it's active. There's an prohibited zone. I think it's about 3 miles around the summit. And because from time to time it'll let off a huge amount of gas, it'll fart. And the amount and the area of gassing will just create this huge bubble of gas, and if there's a boat in there, it will just sink and be enveloped and be gone, because gas does not support the weight of a boat. Only water supports the weight of a boat. So yeah, you're not allowed to go in that prohibited area. And apparently just June, July, there was a 2-week period where there was over 1,000 earthquakes recorded, only up to magnitude 2, but still it's getting a little restless. I'd love to just go in there. I mean, I want to see that big fart, you know, that'd be awesome. But you might have to just sit there for 2 weeks and wait for something to happen, you know. I'm sure if we stayed here long enough, we would feel earthquakes. Bye, Rond Island. We'll be back. Don't look at me. I need beer, okay? We're going to Tirolbach, okay? I'll take you to dinner. Come on, let's go. Okay. I need a beer, God.
Are you angry with me?
I'm angry at myself.
This is your fault. You said we're on diet.
Look at all those birds, God damn. Anyway, they do have beer, I'm sure of that.
Okay, so what is it?
So it's just GCD basically, and some E minors there.
Hang on. Will you give me the...
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So you can follow so that Greg can watch it. Yeah.
The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown.
Where's your keys?
I need some shelter of my protection, baby. Be with myself and center. Clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know there's nothing to do. It's prison myself and I without spring out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like Travis the blanket. I'm knocking Ludo with my eyes. It's time to see a big girl now. Big girls don't cry. And I try. Oh my God, do I try? I try all the time. And listen to the t-shirt. And I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day for revolution. Kiss me beneath the guitar lighting. I don't believe the only broken hand. Strike on a band and make the fireflies dance, slip and go sparkling. So kiss me, so kiss me.
Very good.
Oh,
It moves around.
Oh yeah, I just when I get a new song, I have to sit there, don't I?
Yeah,
And I
yeah,
just
yeah.
play it for a while, and then I get.
well, how long have you been playing for, Jamie? You're very good.
Oh, God.
You're very big.
God.
You're very
No, I've only been playing for about 3 months now.
No.
No, since I was a kid, but I just haven't played
Yeah.
until about 3 months ago.
Really?
Yeah, I was.
Just because she kept getting up and asking people to play her song, and they didn't know her song. So, I gotta learn her song.
Princess inspired you.
Okay, good.
Where is it in there?
Where's our roadies? Oh, there's Warrior.
Is he coming out? Have you met
No,
Warrior
but you
yet?
get
Hey,
okay, so-
hey, John.
Here.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Have you met I want to see you play this.
This Warrior, really nice guy.
Oh.
Yeah. Takes your rubbish, we give him rum. And he sells bananas and stuff. Nice to talk to. He's not as old as he looks. He's younger than me.
Yes, he just
Yeah.
Have you met this? You called him over, Greg.
I was scared.
Greg, you called him over.
Yeah.
Better go and talk to him.
Yeah. What are you doing at Sunday? It's only Sunday. You're not meant to be here till Monday.
Well, no, with me, I work nowhere, I come to make a living.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I thought you had the weekend off.
No, I work nowhere, I come to make a living, and I can make a living anytime.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
whether
good.
it's Christmas Day, on New Year's Day, it's better yet, because New Year's Day is my birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday.
That's
Yeah.
right, yes.
When I spoke to you on Friday, you were going to have the weekend off and only come back on Monday.
Well, maybe when we see, because I normally go and get bananas on Saturday, but then they told me that they will not have bananas on Sunday, come on Friday, so then I come on Friday. And I come 2 days ago and get bananas,
Oh,
and
okay.
I have bananas now.
Oh,
Mm.
you guys need any bananas?
We just got some.
Just got some. I think we're clear for bananas until maybe tomorrow, I think, John.
All right, okay, well,
That's sweet.
anytime.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Anytime, anytime.
All right. Well, you look after yourself and have a good day. And we'll see you tomorrow.
If I get a chance, I'll see you tomorrow.
All
I'll
right.
stop by.
Okay.
And if you don't see me, don't worry, I'll still stop by.
Okay.
Because you was a good man to me. I could never forget you.
Okay. No worries, John.
Sweet.
That's right, yes. So thanks again.
Okay. You have a
Thanks
good
again
afternoon.
for calling me, and then I'll check you tomorrow.
All right.
All right, okay, goodbye. All right, okay, cool.
Join us again next week on Life on Jupiter. With only 2 weeks remaining on our visa, it's time to explore the highlights of Carriacou.
Let's wrap it up. Okay, just keep going.